recording the first power up of the LattePanda 3 Delta. HDMI is connected to the big screen. Power supply is connected. There is a USB dongle for the mouse and the keyboard. And we're going to record how long it takes and record the boot process. It's set up per the user manual and also per on the website. So it's just to plug the stuff in, connect, click the power button, and watch for the blue light to come on. Wait for the operating system to start completely. The power strip has been turned on. The monitor's on, just waiting to start. So the start button is over here, and we're just going to hold it for a second until blue light comes on. And there's the blue light and the red light. And there we go, LattePanda 1. It doesn't seem to have taken too much time, a little over a minute. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the mouse and keyboard to see if it's ready for the drivers are installed. And look at that. The mouse is working. It's got Arduino and Microsoft Edge installed. So it's a nice Windows screen. The first thing I see is that first I have to go set up the internet connection on the Wi-Fi. If I look into here, you can go through settings, management, and task manager. There's no tasks running right now. And what I'd like to do is go to the command prompt and start typing in Linux commands, which is not the right thing to do. Okay, so the first thing I did was a command prompt to see how much memory there was, storage left. And it looks to be like there's 30 gigs available, which is pretty cool. I'm going to click on the file manager. It's just exactly like all the other drives, other computers. I'll go to Windows. Let's just see how much space we have on drive C. So yes, we got about 30 gigabytes of space to work with, which is pretty cool.